Hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to create your tour using Tour Builder. Now, you should watch this video while you do the assignment. So you should go step by step and pause. When you finish a step, pause, and then come back. So when you go to the Tour Builder site, you do have to have a Google account, which is a Gmail account. So I have mine, alayshuteacher@gmail.com. If you do not have a Gmail account, you need to create one first. If not, if you already have one, you need to sign in up top to your Google account. So at this point, I want you to create a Google account or log in with your Google account. Pause the video now. All right, welcome back. So the first thing you need to do is press create a tour, this red button that says create a tour. So click that and it'll ask you for your tour name. So I might write Silk Road and then your name. Okay, so we're going to create the tour. So pause the video and do that. All right, so now that we're back, here's the name of your tour. Here is your name. Okay, you could pick the color of your path. So I'll pick yellow because it'll stick out. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is add your first location. Okay, so you're going to click add location. You're going to start typing in the first place you went. So let's say we went to Budapest in Hungary. I'm going to click Budapest. And you'll see it'll mark where Budapest is. I'm going to press add to tour. Okay. So go ahead and do that now. Add your first location. Now, you have the information here. If you want, you could type in like a date to when you were there. You could even write a little introduction about the place, maybe a quick sentence or two about what you saw. There's a button that says change icon. If you want to change the color of your icon, or you can even make it a picture, you can. Okay, so maybe I'll change it to this black one. Then you could also add photos. So click add photos. And you could type in search for images, the button that says search for images. You could type in Budapest, and tons of photos come up. Okay, so if you wanted to add some photos to your library, you can. Okay, which is pretty cool. It's pretty easy. That's the first step. So the next thing you do is you add your second location. So you press add location and type in your next location. Let's say it's Ankara in Turkey. So I'm going to add to tour. You notice now there's a yellow line because it's showing your journey. You went from Hungary to Turkey. I'm going to change my icon again. This time I'm going to make it this white one. Okay. And again, you can add photos. You can add whatever information you want. Okay. You can add dates. And then you'll add your third location. I'll say Damascus in Syria. Press add to tour. Okay, I'll change my icon again, this time to the red one. Again, so if you look, here's our journey so far on the Silk Road. Then I'm going to add my fourth location. Let me pick Kabul, Afghanistan. I'm going to add to tour. Again, I'll change my icon. You don't have to do this. You can if you want. Remember, you can also add photos, add dates. Then I'm going to do my final location. Let's say it's Beijing, China. I'm going to add that to tour, and this is my final place. Okay. So this is pretty cool. You have your tour done. This is my Silk Road journey. Okay, so you can see where I went. All right. So I would finish doing all 5 of those. And when you're done, pause and come back. All right, so the final step now, I believe, is press done editing when you finish. And there's a button that says share. So you're going to press share. And right now it says private, only the people listed below. We want to change that to anyone who has the link. Anyone who has the link. So press save. And then you'll literally copy this link, copy and paste it, and put it into the PowerPoint and copy it into this box. So that is your link. Okay? That's how you do that. And then I also want you to, so we'll go ahead and pause and do that. So again, press share, click the button here that says change, make sure it says anyone who has link can view, and then share your link. So go ahead and pause and do that. Finally, the last thing I want you to do is take a picture of your map. Okay, so you're gonna open Snipping Tool. You're gonna press New. And then you just literally highlight a box. You get a new photo, press copy. And then you could paste the photo. So that is your tour. Okay. So again, go to Snipping Tool, open Snipping Tool. Press New for a new snip. Just draw the box around what you want cut out. Opens a new photo. All right. Thank you guys.